Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Let me introduce myself, my Jayanti, and my friend Delani Febrianti, will representative from group 3, will lead our discussion this morning. Alhamdulillah, this morning we will continue our lectures, namely the submission of paper from group 3 from group 2 by Delani and Novitasari. The order of events in our audition is opening, submission of materials, question and answer session, input or direction from lecturer, and closing. Entering the first arrangement, namely opening. Let's start the lecture today by reading the Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
The second event was the presentation of material from us. The first material is presentation by me, and next presentation by my friend Delani. So let's begin. Chapter 2, Assessing Needs and Preference. Next. Next, Delani. Okay, thank you. Needs analysis. A needs analysis helps the teacher to understand the difference between where the learners are in terms of communicative competence and where they need to be to meet their business aims. The basic aim of a need analysis is to collect and examine critically information about the current situation and the target situation. Need analysis in its most basic form is essentially a blend of information gathering activities which use a variety of different perspectives. Next. Next, Delani.
Okay, udah.
Okay. Communication needs. The purpose of the communication needs analysis is to find out about the various fields and styles of discourse that students engage in. The first thing to do to analyze communication needs is to find out what students need to do in courses in English. In conducting this needs analysis, we are able to use several instruments such as questionnaires, interviews, and observation. Next, Delani.
Okay, we are going to talk about the pedagogic needs. Pedagogic needs refer to the need that result from the teaching context. In this case, they are the main aspect to be considered for the pedagogic needs. The first is the teacher needs, learners need and style, and meaning to do the course. Okay, aspect from pedagogic needs, that is the teacher needs. A teacher must be able to provide an appropriate approach for the learners because they do the same thing in the several times. But what happened in the classroom is very great, but influenced by the style, experience, and need of the trainer himself. On this needs, the teacher is very important to consider the several questions like how do I think people learn best, and then what are my strength and weakness, what are experience do I have, and what do I know about my own learning style, and then how much of what happened in the classroom is a result of my personality. And then learners need and style. Teachers have long recognized that learning success depends on a number of factors, one of which is learning style of the learners. There are two types of the learners that can be identified based on the brain functions. Okay, different on the left and right brain is dominant. And then the left brain, the learners tend to analyze biological and objective. Moreover, for the right brain learners tend to be more impulsive and informal and use a graphic and role-playing activities to enhance their learning. And then perspective on the learner learning style are related to NLP. NLP is neuro-linguistic program. This is the technique, model, and the theory based on how people think and how they people communicate and behave. It has a very important role for the business English teacher because this include the insight into a various communication skills such as the building rapport, non-verbal communications, and active listening, and etc. And moreover, this is can help students to understand how they perceive the world and what influence their perceptions. Even they are the other ways to distinguish the learning style of students. The theory from according to Howard Gardens, they are at different level intelligence for students. The first is body kinesthetic. The body kinesthetic is the ability to control the body to do something or solve problem. And then the interpersonal sensitivity to one's own feeling, strength, weakness, and value. And then the interpersonal, this is the sensitivity to other people, moods, ability to interact with others. And then the verbal linguistic, the ability to use spoken language, to spoken and written language to express meaning and remember things. And then the logical mathematics, the ability to deal with problems in a logical way, numerical skill, and cause and things. And the musical sensitivity to rhythm, pitch, and melody. And then the last is the naturalist. This is the ability to recognize and classify things in the nature. The teachers is able to determine the learning style for students according to their level of intelligence, and the learning style are also influenced by the culture of students. So, need analysis is carried out to make a continuous evaluations. Okay, this is the 3 example for the need analysis. Okay, the first example. This note were written after her initial meetings by a business English teacher about to start first course with the pre-experienced student in university. The comment: this teacher has made an excellent start, but will probably prefer to wait until she meets the students before she can design the score in any good detail. During this first lesson, she will want to have activities which allow her to assess the students' spoken interaction as well as some sort of questionnaires which will tell her more about the student's own perspective. And then the second example, this example consists of the diary note written by an experienced business English teacher after series one-to-one lesson with a senior executive multinational company. The important thing to note here is how teacher awareness of the learner need change with each session, emphasizing the information gathering is in ongoing evaluate process. Okay, the commentnya on the case, the teacher is looking very experienced with the presentation training. Clearly, in this case, the teacher has assessed the characteristic of the learner as someone who is able to handle the responsibility for her own learning. And then the example 3, this is a copy of report submitted by a freelance teacher for a language school. Note that the sponsor already have formed ideas about what they want the course to look like. Okay, komennya. On this example, this is formal report has been written rather than example 1 and 2, some of the key course design decisions already appear to have been made, which partly reflect the priorities and conditions. But on this report, this is very difficult of making a clear divide between information gathering and the course design. Okay, the conclusion. Theme that needs analysis, preparatory, and ongoing is the foundation of any business English course. And the second is communication need based on assessment of situations which require the use of English, as well as a placement test which measure current communicative ability, and the pedagogic need based on the requirement of the teaching situation, including teacher need, learner's learning style, and means analysis.
Okay, thank you, Delani. So before we move to question and answer session, we will close first the presentation. Thank you for your attention. You can say Alhamdulillah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillah. So the question where's the
Any
WA group?
questions?
Sorry?
For the question, we are discussed on the WhatsApp group.
Okay. We can do that session at WhatsApp group.
Okay.
Okay, now we close. Thank you and sorry for our mistakes. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Off the record.